Hello, everyone. This is John at Hebron Cemetery. It's May the 28th of 2026. It's about a little after 9 in the morning. First came over here in 2023, and you couldn't really tell there was a cemetery here. There were trees here, 6, 8 feet high bushes. It was really bad. So since that time, we kind of kept at it, and there have been some improvements. The city agreed to take over maintenance here 2025, and some maintenance has been done, but there's nothing I don't see regular and ongoing. We'll have to watch that over time, see what goes on. This is an African American cemetery, and it's very, very important to that history back during the days between around war between the states. They buried African Americans on land that was unsuitable for farming, so they put them anywhere. This cemetery was founded mid to late 1800s, and back in those trees, which still need to be cleaned up, back in there are slaves buried in there, children of slaves. There are many children buried here, so we really want to take care of this area. It's been hit or miss here for decades. People would come here and clean it up, and then they would leave, and it would go back to being like it was when I found it in 2023. So it's going to have to be an ongoing effort. Maybe one day they'll clear all that out back in there, and the trees and the graves back in there have been vandalized. Here comes someone, so we're going to cut this. It's very easy to find here. It's right off the bypass there. This is First Street, Eureka. So it's not that difficult to find. The city annexed this land, so this is actually city property. And the city council at this time is all African American, so you would think they would be most definitely want to preserve this property. That's the hope here. I'll keep coming over here as long as I can, pushing for that restoration. How I got involved in cemetery is a long story. This is what God gave me to do. This is my calling, so hopefully you'll get something out of this video. There are 15 veterans that we know of buried here. World War I, World War II, Korea. There's even one from the war between the states. He's 90 years old. He's buried here. We think maybe he could have been a slave that was sent for during that war. Soldiers would send for slaves to do their laundry and prepare the meals and take care of horses, stuff like that. He's 90 years old. He's buried here in 1924. We researched him, and after coming home, he became a laborer. He was a maintenance guy at what they call the poorhouse here in Chester until he passed away. And it needs to be saved. It's very important. So hopefully, if you are someone or you know someone that's interested in this, you'll keep pushing the city council to do what they agreed to do. Thank you for listening.